Hey, my name is Alok. I am an online English spoken teacher. And when somebody wants to speak English, or the first question that strike in mind, he or she thinks like, oh my God, he just speaking, or he can speak 2 sentence, 3 sentence, 10 sentence, 100 sentence, and he can narrate each and everything. Even I understand whatever he's saying, I can understand completely. But when it comes to my turn, I start stumbling, or I think like, oh my God, I cannot make that happen. That guy has more capacity. That guy has come with some other characteristics. That guy has some other advantage. No, it is a bad, it is a negative thing, or it is a myth. It never happened. It never ever happened, right? Even now when I was learning English, it's been long ago. At that time I used to think the same. If somebody is standing in front of you and he speaks fluently, you try to shivering, right? You start stumbling, or you think like, oh my God, he just speaking in English, but I can how I can. And then if somebody is in more need, or he thinks like it is important in my career, it is significant, I have to achieve it. So generally he start digging up where to go, whom to contact, or how to learn it. So he try to find the way, different way he try to get it. But unfortunately there are many people, they are claiming, or they are showing on the board, they are maintaining right image outside his coaching center, and he is trying to convince the people that okay, within 3 months, within 2 months, 4 months, we give guaranteed to make you speak in English well. But again, what happened going into center, sitting along with many students? See, I shared this story again and again. Why? Because I am well connected with these all strategy. I have learned with these all people joining this center, but I didn't learn it. And after grappling with many years, finally I achieve it by own self study. Yeah, no doubt. When you join somewhere in coaching center, when you join somewhere to the center, you learn many structure, you might get some environment that is important, you might learn some structure that is important, but until you speak that, right, until you are not using it, you are never gonna get success. So success, how success comes, that is the important. And this is a language. Nowadays I can see many advertisement. I teach basically online by using my Skype, by audio video system. So sometimes when I use Facebook, so I get notification, many people they are adding that within just buy their package, they are just showing some book or some package, some they are attending some seminar, giving some seminar, they are trying to convince people that pay me 999, pay me 2000, or pay me 5000 one time to become good in English. It never gonna help you guys, never ever, because I am the victim of these all things. Today I can share because I have been teaching globally. So the people they are from other country, they are good, they are understanding the base, they can understand, they can speak. The problem is they want to grab, they want to gain the fluency, the confidence when they speak with somebody, or when they interact with a customer. They all are basically working professionals. So when they speak with some colleague, when they go in meeting or try to talk with some customer or somebody, at that time they are stuck, or they feel like, oh my God, how to build that fluency. Because people are okay, they are speaking while meeting. If somebody asking, they are able to narrate, they are able to say in their way, but I'm not. Why? How can I achieve it? The problem is this is a language. So when I teach, I make them practice daily, so that class goes up to 50 minutes, but in that 15 minutes, right, I I make them practice around 30 minutes, and then 20 minute or 15 minute it goes for grammar structure, and it goes for vocabulary. So that is the standard. So see, by this process at least I take 3 to 4 months. For those people, they are well, they understand English, right? Only to make them aware about the phonetics, about the sound, about the structure. That structure helps you while speaking with somebody in English. So if this process, and that is one-on-one class, one-on-one class means one time only one person, so that it means he or she is open with me. He or she can share each and everything, whatever problem they face, how they think, what is their mentality when they speak in front of somebody, what happens when somebody speaks in front of him or her, so how they react, how they act. In that process, one-on-one process, if it can take 3 months, 4 months, more than that sometime even, so how can we think like in getting some package, 999 package, and 1000, 2000, 5000 one time you become good in English? It's never gonna happen. But the good news is, if you want, if you decide that you have to learn by your own, by somebody, some mentor, one-on-one on class, follow your own zeal, excitement, enthusiasm, curiosity, because you are the one that you have to grab that fluency instead of stucking somewhere, instead of blocking your own capacity. You are trying to go in irrational area. That is the fear, that is irrational fear. When we think like, oh my god, we cannot make that happen, but it is not like that. It is very easy. The problem is, you know English, you understand it, you know the structure even, but it is not coming from here up off here. Why? Because it need practice, right? We have to make practice to bring it out from here to up. So yesterday I was watching one story. You know, nowadays the technology, they are helping a lot if you want to take advantage of that. So that story, I understand many things. Even see, many structure we know, many vocabulary we know, but we don't know how to use precisely. What is the right way to say something, to narrate something? So when you watch a story, right, you get, because a story comes with some action, some scene, some scenery, some reaction, right, some activity. So at that time it becomes easy to understand some specific vocabulary that has been included in that story, that somebody said, that somebody talk with somebody. At that time it becomes easy, right? It becomes super easy. So learn that vocabulary. Try to see YouTube a story that is around 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Better to see a small one. So see once, try to narrate in your own way. If you don't know some structure, what he said, write it down. You have option, you can stop it on the YouTube, read it, listen it, write it, and then again practice. So if you do that, you will find like there are so many structure that you knew already, but you were not using, or you are not using. That's why it doesn't come when you try to speak, right? These all small, see, it is a language, so you have to create environment. So when I teach, I give an activity to remain that environment, because environment matters. Environment is the way that keep you giving the sense that yeah, you have to be in English. Whatever things you are seeing, whatever things you can see, just be in English, right? Try to be in English, try to be in the language. I'm not saying that always you can be in English, but yes, whenever you can remind the things you can see surrounded at your place, try to know that in English. Try to connect the dot, try to learn many things, many vocabulary, or many idea that you generate, try to be in English. So learning why these all a story, it helps a lot. Watch movie, right? I basically I don't recommend that movie, but the better way is just see these all YouTube video, that a story, a small story, the fairy story, these all story, that is the amazing. People are great nowadays. They are using high-tech technology and they are putting a great story. So by that you will learn one story also that is very interesting, and apart from that you are learning English. So how does it help? See, it is amazing nowadays. Instead of sitting 20-30 a student to learn English in some center, you can grab it by your own, right? Or I recommend, if you have money, if you can, join somebody's one-on-one class. One-on-one means at a time you can talk with you are interacting with your mentor single, so you can share each and everything. You practice daily. So by making practice, by doing it on daily basis, it becomes your habit. See, if you are talking with somebody daily, so what's happening? The fear, the process, the signal, these all are getting changed. That is basically blocked, right? If you don't use English, so what's happening? It is blocking. We are blocking the way that we have to use. But when you start talking with somebody daily, so now you are able to talk. So this is the way. Once you break that frequency that is blocking you, that is playing as an obstacle, so once it starts coming, you will get it like, wow, it was super easy, that you used to think like we cannot make that happen. So make that happen, right? Do at your own, right? And never ever believe like somebody is selling the package and giving you the CDs or DVD. It never I cannot challenge that it cannot, but as per my understanding, it's not possible, right? So go do these all things and I think it will be okay. A story part is very great one that I am recommending. Do that if it is possible, right? Otherwise I have see why I'm saying this, because when I have been teaching the people, they are great, right? They can speak English but they are not practicing. So what do? I just make them a start daily. So while speaking with me on daily, they grab that, and it worth, guys. Nowadays you have each and everything, the things in your own language, but you are not able to bring it out. If you are not able to show your strength, show your capacity, show your idea in front of somebody in English, it means you are lacking somewhere. So only the people, they are well communicated, they are able to narrate the things in English. So they are coming in front of management. If they are in the corporate line or in the office, people try to appreciate them because they are sharing their idea, whatever thing they want to share, whatever project they are working on, they are able to put that in front of management. They are able to display their strategy, what basically they think about that particular specific project, and they get appreciation. But the people, they are well, then that people, see, I'm not saying that if you are not speaking English, or somebody they are not able to speak in English, they are not good. They are great compared to that people they are speaking in English. But the problem is, people, they are not able to speak in English. They are just putting their idea with him. They are not gonna reveal that. And the people, they are speaking in English, they are doing that. So only the spoken power, see how great it is, how greatly it works. Now you can assume. So by doing that, you can grab, you can enhance your position, you can increase, people start respecting you. Why? It is not because earlier you were not good, you are great, you are fabulous, phenomenal, but now because you got it, you are able to narrate it in everything in English. So now you become more respectable compared to that, right? You are able to garner the appreciation. So do that. Never ever believe like somebody giving some package or you will learn it, you become great in English. No, it's never gonna happen. You have to work on that, or you have to work on that. You have to work on that. There is no alternate option for that. You may come to me if you wish to have, you want to some suggestion, if you want to join me, if you have budget for that, you may come to me also. I might not I might I have made many people speak English, have 1-2 day classes. Then you get to know how do I teach, what is the great interaction, what is the right methodology that makes you great a speaker, right? Thanks. Bye.